Hey guys, so welcome back from winter break. I hope everyone had a great time. We're going to jump right into our phonics lesson, and today we're going to talk about word meaning. And so you may have heard of the words antonyms and synonyms. So we're going to be talking about words that can mean the same and some words that mean the opposite. So antonyms and synonyms. So you may have heard those words last year in second grade or even in first grade. So we're going to kind of review what those are. So I want you to look at the word that I have here. And I want you to think about what the word is. So our word is angry. Okay. Or sorry, anger. Our word is anger. And I want you to think about, what does that word mean? Okay. And then I want you to look at the word rage. Okay. So I have anger and rage. And I want you to think about, what do you notice about those two words, anger and rage, specifically about their meaning? What do those two words mean? So we are talking about anger and rage are synonyms. So synonyms are words that mean the same or almost the same. So they have similar meanings. So we are talking about synonyms. Let me grab my marker real quick. And we're going to write that at the top right here. So today we are, or this week actually, we are focusing on synonyms. Okay, so anger and rage mean the same thing. And guys, when you have like anger or rage, it means you're really mad at something. Something has made you really mad. So we could say anger and rage. We can say rage is kind of like how like the most angry you can get. So you can say we're mad, that just made me angry. I'm angry about that, but I'm really enraged about it when something really, really makes you mad. So it's kind of like a stronger word than anger. Okay. So there can be different levels of synonyms where we start off with, mad, anger, rage. So let's look at some other words. So I have the word finish. And I have the word end. So if you notice, these two words are synonyms because they can mean the same. Okay, the movie finished. The movie ended. Okay, we finished the game. We ended the game. So they both mean the same. It means when something is done, we're done with it. We're finished. It's ended. So those have the same meaning. Okay, so let's look at another set of words. We have split. So think about when you split something. If you have, you're like your brother, oh, I'm going to split the cookie with you. Okay, which means I'm going to share it or split it. I'm cutting it in half. And we also have divide. So these two are synonyms because they mean the same. I'm going to split the cookie in two. I'm going to divide the cookie in two. Okay, so instead of saying split, I could say divide. Okay, let's look at some other words. What would be, I have the word earth. Earth. What would be a synonym that would mean the same as earth? So I want you to think about that. What would be another word that has the same meaning as earth? Okay, so if you're thinking about the word world, you are correct. So earth is our planet. World could be another word that means that. I saw earth from outer space. We live in a great world. Okay. let's talk about this one. This one we could use during Christmas time that just happened. Present. We talk about getting Christmas presents during Christmas. So we get Christmas presents we get presents during Christmas time. Or I got a present for my birthday. So I want you to think about what is another word that we could use that means the same as presents. Think about what could we say. So if you said gift, you are correct. So present and gift. I got a gift for my birthday, or my grandma sent me a gift in the mail. Okay? So synonyms are words that mean the same or they have a similar meaning. So they may not have the exact same meaning, but they are very similar, okay? So let's write that down. So synonyms, we're going to write, let's see, let's kind of move these down to the bottom. And we're going to say synonyms are words that mean the same or almost the same. So synonyms are words that mean the same or almost the same. Okay? So what I want you to do now is I'm going to write some words on the board. I want you to think of synonyms that, or I want you to think of words that mean the same. So I want you to think of another word that would mean the same as that word. Okay, so kind of like we did here, where a word, I showed you one word and I showed you another word that means the same. Okay, so I want you to think about cried. What would be another word for cried? Okay. I want you to think about mistake. Mistake. What would be another word for mistake? Okay, let's think of another word. Sad. I want you to think of another word for sad and one more. So I have cried, mistake, sad. Think of another one. Trying to think of another word. Let's say mad. And then one more. Ooh, let's say another one for little. Okay. So I want you to tell me, so your words that you're going to find, that you're going to tell me another word that means the same. So we're making synonyms. Cried, mistake, sad, mad, and little. Okay. And